Take a ride in the 2019 Golf GTI. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather upholstery, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.